Hello everyone, welcome to Food Pros channel. Today you're gonna see an original and a fusion recipe, Tutti-Frutti pop cream. You may wonder what is a pop cream. This recipe is a fusion between a popsicle and an ice cream. This pop cream is very easy to make, it's mess-free and it's kids-friendly. What better way can we find to engage little kids and give them an opportunity to the culinary world? Tutti-Frutti is candied raw papaya. They are small, colorful cubes which comes in different flavors. You can find Tutti-Frutti in any Indian store. If you couldn't find one, you can use dried peaches as well. To make this pop cream, you need Tutti-Frutti 1 cup, which I have chopped, 2.5 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of sugar and 3 tablespoons of rose milk essence. Whipped cream has to be super cold, so do not remove it from the refrigerator until you start making the process. To a large bowl, I'm adding 2.5 cups of heavy cream. As I said, the heavy cream is super cold. I just removed it from the refrigerator. I'm using a hand blender. You can use a stand mixer or you can use a wired whisk to whip the whipped cream. Start at the slow speed to whip your cream and then gradually you can increase it. If this is your first time to whip cream, use slow speed for the entire process. Our whipped cream is completely combined and this is the soft peak stage, which means that every time you go around, you see the beautiful ripples forming. I'll stop the blender for you to show it, and this is what we are looking for, the soft peak. Now it's time for us to add sugar. I'm adding 1 cup of sugar. You can totally adjust it according to your taste. Start combining sugar, and I'm still using the low speed because I don't want to lose the texture. We are not using any stabilizer for our pop cream, so the key ingredient is the cream, and whipping the cream to the right texture gives us a soft, silky smooth ice cream or pop cream. Tutti-Frutti is a candied fruit, so I'm not using condensed milk because it will be sugar overloaded. Our whipped cream is done. I'm just scraping the sides. While I'm doing it, you will see how silky and smooth our whipped cream is, and this is what we need. Let's have a closer look. When you take a dollop of whipped cream, it should hold on the spatula. To our whipped cream, add 1 cup of chopped Tutti-Frutti. Gently mix the Tutti-Frutti along the cream using a spatula and do not overmix it. I'll teach you the cut and fold method. To cut and fold is to blend a mixture by using one of two motion. Number 1 is cutting through the mixture and number 2 is sliding along the bottom of the bowl. This technique is used to lift the lower portion of the mixture and fold it over the upper portion. Our pop cream base is ready. Now set aside 1 cup of plain base. To another bowl, use the same amount of our pop cream base and add 1 tablespoon of rose milk essence. Rose milk essence is made with rose petals and sugar. It gives you a nice floral scent to our pop cream. I'm adding another tablespoon of rose milk essence. This gives the extra pink pop to our pop cream. You can adjust it according to your level. I've added totally 3 tablespoons of rose milk essence and I think it's pink enough. Our popsicle base are ready and it's time for us to call the kids. I'm using a popsicle maker and I'm adding Tutti-Frutti as the first layer. For the second layer, I'm going to use the white base. For the third layer, I'm going to use the pink base. I'm just having fun making these popsicles. You know, kids are very crafty. They play along with colors very well, and I hope they have fun in your home while making these popsicles. If you don't have a popsicle mold, you can use a paper cup, cover them with the foil and then insert a wooden stick. Our pop is ready in our pop cream. You can see the Tutti-Frutti. They are colorful, they are vibrant and they smell amazing. I'm going to stick the popsicle stick and then set it in the fridge overnight or at least 8 hours. Good morning everyone. This is our popsicle which has been sitting in the freezer overnight. Look at the colors, they look fantastic. Our popsicle are perfectly set and now let's take a look on the ice cream. I'm just scooping up and you can see how silky smooth our ice cream is. The aroma from the rose milk essence is actually very subtle and it's not overpowering. I hope you all loved this Tutti-Frutti pop cream. It's innovative, it's original, it's a fusion between an ice cream and a popsicle. Don't forget to subscribe to Food Pros and leave a comment in the comment box how do you like this video. I'll see you all soon. Until then, bye from Archana. Bye bye.